back, Leiwa Lounge Llamas, your trusty travel companions navigating the sometimes efficient, sometimes claustrophobic world of luggage logistics. Today we're tackling a debate that has divided travelers since the invention of the rolling suitcase, carry-on versus checked bag. Are you a nimble ninja of the overhead compartment, or do you embrace the checked-in life, lugging a suitcase bigger than a grumpy, overstuffed duck? The carry-on crusaders swear by a minimalist approach. They pack like travel ninjas, cramming outfits into impossibly small spaces and living out a single carry-on for weeks on end. They avoid baggage claim like the plague, and the thought of waiting for a checked bag makes them break out in hives. They're the champions of agility, zipping through airports like gazelles, never having to worry about lost luggage or overweight fees. But let's be honest, sometimes the carry-on life can feel like a constant game of Tetris, and who wants to spend a vacation worrying if they'll have enough socks for the entire trip? Then there's the checked-in clan. These folks believe in packing for every possible scenario, from a sudden blizzard in the tropics to an impromptu meeting with a celebrity chef. Maybe you'll be sharing travel tips with Gordon Ramsay or discussing the perfect crunchy tortilla with Jamie Oliver. They embrace the checked-in life, rolling up to the airport with enough luggage to outfit a small village. Sure, they might spend a few extra minutes at baggage claim, but they travel with peace of mind, knowing they have every outfit, gadget, and just-in-case item they could ever need. However, let's face it, the checked-in life can also involve a healthy dose of anxiety, constantly wondering if your luggage will arrive with you or take a luxurious vacation on its own. But here's the thing, folks, there's a middle ground. You don't have to be a carry-on crusader or a checked-in luggage behemoth. The key is to find your packing equilibrium, a state of perfect balance between traveling light and having everything you need. Consider the length of your trip, the climate of your destination, and your own personal preferences. Pack versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. And don't be afraid to embrace the wash and wear lifestyle. Seriously, hotels have laundry services for a reason. The carry-on vs checked-in bag debate is a personal one. There's no right or wrong answer, just what works best for you and your travel style. So pack light, pack heavy, or find yourself a happy medium. Just make sure you have everything you need to create amazing travel memories, and maybe a spare pair of socks just in case. Carry-on crusader or checked-in champion? What's your packing philosophy? Do you have any hilarious or disastrous packing stories to share? Share with us at Leiwa Lounge Llamas at Doug.com, and we might just feature them on a future episode. This is Elenice reminding you that the best luggage isn't always the biggest one. It's the one that allows you to explore freely, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Now go forth and explore, and don't let the size of your suitcase hold you back from your next adventure.